When there are more women in leadership, businesses are more productive and more profitable. The Pacific Private Sector Development Initiative's Leadership Matters report collected and analysed women's business leadership data from almost 300 organisations across the Asian Development Bank's 14 Pacific developing member countries. In the Cook Islands, Leadership Matters sampled 13 organisations. Women held a quarter of board chair positions, above the regional average of 11%, and made up 32% of directors, above the regional average of 21%. The data also shows that women are well represented in senior management positions in Cook Islands. 27% of CEO positions in the Cook Islands sample were held by women. Government, development partners, and the private sector considered these findings in a workshop in Rarotonga in July 2022, delivered by the Cook Islands Chamber of Commerce.
A lot of it was reassuring to know that positive outcomes of work to date has been achieved.
It's an achievement for our country to celebrate, and I think that there is room for improvement going forward.
Participants identified gendered household and caring roles as barriers for women in the Cook Islands.
Women take time from work to have children. There needs to be more understanding around the roles of women in our society and how we can move forward with the differences between a man and a woman.
I'd like to see more support for childcare services, as well as relooking at the maternity leave legislation. It's not till I started my young family that I realised that these enabling environment factors are quite important.
Participants also identified opportunities to encourage and support women and to build workplace leadership diversity.
I think that we have to be inclusive. I think gender is more than women. It also includes men and other gender diverse persons. And I think ultimately, if we are inclusive, we will have better outcomes for our nation.
Only by bringing to the table the shared experiences of the diversity that we have in our community can we make meaningful change.
Participants identified areas of success in the Cook Islands, including women's workforce representation, women's networks, opportunities for upskilling, and pride in culture. Participants also identified areas that need more attention, including maternity and paternity leave, childcare, workplace flexibility, gender pay gaps, data collection, and public-private collaboration. PSDI will continue to track changes in women's business leadership in the Pacific and publish the next edition of Leadership Matters in 2024. More information is available at the PSDI website.